Hi! Today we're going to review the Manifestation Tarot. So, binili ko rin to sa US. Nakapost na rin to sa Shopee ko. Usually nire-review ko lang siya and then pinopost ko na siya for sale. Hindi ko siya ginagamit for tarot reading. And if ginamit ko na, nilalagay ko siya sa description na it was used. So, if I cleanse it, you can cleanse it also. But, this one, it's new. Gagamitin lang natin siya ngayon for review. So, this one, it costs Manifestation. It's 1,619 pesos only. In Shopee. I think meron mga free shipping option sa Shopee. So, yun. Ito siya. Manifestation Tarot. So, this one, may mga meaning siya. May mga meaning na siya sa card na magbibigay na ng guide sa'yo. So, this one is for new tarot readers, no? Yan siya. Ganito siya buksan. Yan. So, ngayon ko pa lang siya bubuksan. Meron siyang plain card. So, tignan muna natin yung guidebook niya. Manipis lang yung guidebook niya, no? Oh, colored siya. Zoom out ko ng konti. Ayan. Meron siyang spread. Turuan ka niya paano mag-spread. Okay. So, wala siyang reverse meaning. Keywords lang. And then, yeah. Wala siyang reverse meaning. Yan siya. So, set aside natin siya dito. This is the card. Hindi pa siya gamit, pero medyo parang naka-bend na siya, oh. Oh, okay. So, kaya siya naka-bend. Usually, kasi talaga pag mga ganitong card na medyo naka-bend, ano siya, medyo manipis siya. Kaya siya medyo naka-bend. So, hindi mo siya pwedeng i-shuffle ng casino shuffle. Oh, sorry. Love. Wait. So, yun. Hindi mo siya pwedeng i-shuffle ng casino shuffle kasi mabilis siya mag-bend pag ganito kanipis yung card. So, yun. Honestly, medyo manipis talaga siya. Ayan. Pwede siyang pang-reverse. Ay, hindi. Kasi mapapansin mo yung pink, reddish or pinkish, purple nasa kabilang side. So, halata siya kapag naka-reverse. This is the reverse and this is the upright. So, halata siya. Medyo malaki siya compared to the normal tarot cards. Medyo malaki siya. Ang kagandahan dito, maganda siya for the beginner. Kasi meron na siyang konting hint or meaning. So, maganda rin yung images niya. It's like a parang pink. Ganun. Lalagay ko siya dito sa gilid. So, kung medyo mabilis, you can just pause it. Just zoom out ko lang ng kaunti. Ayan. So, this is the Fool, the Magician, High Priestess, I trust my intuition, the Empress, so pregnant yung Empress, I'm in control, the Emperor, I accept guidance, the Hierophant, I'm supported by love, the Lovers, the Chariot, I can find balance, I make a wise decision, I seek truth, I am flexible, I have courage, I am enlightened, I embrace new beginnings, Temperance, I create harmony, I accept my shadow self, I can rebuild the tower, I am inspired, Aquarius, the Star, I find the way in the darkness, I am full of hope, the Sun, I know my destiny, the Judgment, I am successful, the World, Ace of Cups, I am love. Yun lang, no? Medyo tinipid sa, tinipid na sa illustration when it comes to the minor arcana. Ganyan na yung itsura niya. 3 cups, 4 of cups, 5 of cups, 6 of cups, 7 of cups, 8 of cups, 9 of cups, 10 of cups, Page of Cups, Knight of Cups, Queen of Cups, King of Cups, Ace of Swords. Ayun, dinamihan na lang niya yung swords. Pero kagandahan dito, kung bago kang tarot reader, eh, may mga hint naman na sa baba. I navigate challenge with wisdom and discretion. I have the power to change my circumstances. I transform worries into stepping stones of growth. Queen of Swords. I speak my truth with clarity and compassion. My decisions are guided by justice and truth. Now, Wands. Tsaka iba-ibang color siya, no? Kapag Wands, Pentacles, Cups, ayan. Success is my natural state. Parang wala akong nakikitang negative sa kanya, no? 5 of Wands, usually it's conflict, but I embrace challenges as opportunities to grow. I release burden that do not serve me. Curiosity is the adventure guide me. New opportunities and abundance. Collaboration. Generosity and receiving imbalance. Page of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles. Ayan. So, try natin siya i-shuffle, no? Okay siya i-shuffle. Hindi siya sobrang dulas at hindi din naman siya rough. Then maganda siyang i-shuffle like this. Smooth lang. I love it. Ayan, pag shuffle mo pa ganyan. Lumabas na yung 6 of Cups. Nostalgia. Ayan. Medyo malambot lang siya. person from the past, generosity in receiving and balance, persistence in my effort will yield security. Isa ba? Dami. Isa lang. Try lang tayo ng isa. Alright. So, the judgment. I know my destiny. Ganda siya para sa mga new tarot readers. Yung kapal niya, okay lang. Kaya lang mabilis siya mag-bend. So, dapat ang pag-shuffle mo is pag ganito lang. Ganyan lang. Alright. So, ratings. Hindi ko ganong gusto yung nipis niya. It's just an honest review. Kasi ayoko nung hindi naman siya sobrang nipis. Pero for me, manipis siya compare sa mga ginagamit ko. For me, 7 out of 10. Yeah, 7 out of 10. Sa illustration naman, I'll give it 6 out of 10. Ayun. Nakapost na to sa Shopee ko. So, if you're interested to buy this one, you can go, ilalagay ko yung link below or sa description. So, if you have any tarot in mind, oracles, or Lenormand that you want me to review first, maybe available na siya here, I'll do it. Or I'll review it first. But if not, I'll try to find it for you so we can review it. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye!